the whole idea of Birdfin was sparked when while you were in Ireland, bringing up your younger son. So was that maybe that crucial moment that, having all this experience in finance, and you were like, okay, let me try and integrate all the learnings that I had as an individual, as a human being, and all the experience that I had as a professional, and let me see if I can do something, maybe your child being that spark of inspiration.
Yeah, it is so true. When we moved, and we've had the opportunity to live abroad a couple of times, in different assignments, different companies and stuff like that. But this was the age when we went to Ireland, this was the age for my younger one to kind of, when the reality hits the ground, right? Or as they say, the rubber hits the ground. So, it's so funny, when we were boarding the plane, the only person who was not very excited, at my place about going to Ireland was my wife. And the reason was very simple. The support system is so strong here in India. You talk about your neighbors, you talk about your friends, you talk about your family, extended family, and so on. So you at the drop of the hat, you get support. I mean, you need support from people around you in your community, in your complex. There are people who are willing to raise their hands, right? So, and we knew that that's not going to be the same in Ireland. Anyways, so we boarded the flight and we landed there. After about a week or so, we realized that life is so different, in the sense that, you got to do everything on your own. And as a result, and he was back then, was about 11 and a half years old, and fairly young, to expect, overnight that he'll start contributing in chores. So that was a tough call for us. But then we decided, we spoke and we said, look, Akshat, you got to kind of start doing and start contributing something, and help your mom, because I'll be going to office. You once you're back from the school, you got to help. And of course, I'll also extend, whatever little help I can do in the evening when I'm back from office. But once you're back from school, got to do that. So it was a tough conversation with him, because he was not used to it, right? But then we realized that there has to be a motivational angle drawn up here for him to kind of start contributing. So that's how the concept of Birdfin was conceived, right? And the whole idea was that, how do we bring in the whole thing of token economy into play? And simply said, token economy is nothing but, you got to have some kind of reward given to the child as and when they complete, a task or a milestone. It not necessarily, it has to be in the form of money only. It could be money, it could be in form of chocolate, it could be even as simple as giving a hug to your child, and taking them for a drive in the evening, and so on. So we said, and it started working very well for him, for my younger one, because we said, okay, fine, there is a reward attached to every time you help us in kind of doing or conducting a chore at home. So, obviously he started seeing that, the more effort I put in, and we said, we are not going to be giving money, by the way. I mean, we never said that, we'll give you money. We introduced him to a host of other things, and he started looking forward to it, in the sense, you can play another 30 minutes of, bonus time on your laptop, or, you will get another 20 minutes of your play time, and so on. So he was, at our place in Ireland, we had a basketball court, and so he was very keen that in the evening, once I'm back from office, Dad will play basketball game with me. So, I mean, that was another bonus. So, I mean, there were multiple things, which we tried, it worked out very well. So, coming back to Birdfin, actually, we realized that, if we have to start relating it with an outcome, it could do wonders for kids. And I think, at that young age, they get this very, very clearly that, I got to achieve this, and this is what, I will get. You can always argue that, why should we be bribing our kids to do a job? but that's not the way I see it, because you heard my story, that's the way I saw. There's a lot of positive moments I saw during my childhood. When I was given a target and when I was achieving it, I was getting a kick out of it, right? So I think I realized it that, most of the kids, will be kind of enjoying meeting their targets, on a day-to-day basis, as long as we kind of link it with a kind of reward, and the reward could be left to the parents, what they want to do. So that's how we started.